Got oats? You got milk. Hi, I'm Soren, and welcome to Whole Food Hippie Cooking. First, you need to grab the goodness. 2 ingredients, oats and water. That's it. Next, you want to soak your oats for a minimum of 4 hours, but preferably overnight. After you soak the oats, make sure to rinse those suckers and rinse them well. Next, take your rinsed oats, add water, and blend on high for 2 minutes. Next, you want to take that blended mixture and strain it. Strain it well. Don't throw that oat pulp away. It can be used. Spoiler alert, future recipe coming soon. Next, take your strained mixture and blend it again on high for 2 minutes. After you blend it for the last time, strain it into your favorite milk jar. You had oats, now you have milk.